Hi, my name is Shinda Sharat and my register number is UR15CS356. So the aim of this program is to find the array index or the position of the number from which the sum of the preceding values is equal to the sum of the succeeding values from the index number. So first off, I start with by creating a class called index, and we also start with having a scanner class java.util.scanner. Now as usual, we declare the public static void main function. Now I call the scanner class with the variable sc, which is used to get the input from the user. Now we create an integer variable n. The number of elements that should be present in the array is gotten from the user using the scanner class, which is n, that is the integer variable which we created earlier. Now I also create a new array called num. I also declare various integer variables such as I, some, someone, and c, which are all equated to 0, and c1, which is equated to c n minus 1. Here c indicates the starting index of the array, and c1 indicates the last index number of the array. Now I create a for loop which is used to get input from the user, that is the number of elements in the array, I mean the elements which are needed to be present in the array. Then I also create a for loop where I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Until this condition is satisfied, we have this following condition, an if else statement, where if sum is less than or equal to 0, that is, if the sum is less than or equal to 0, then sum is equal to sum plus num of c, and c is incremented. Now here we have an array in which C is the starting index of the index of the starting element. So if sum is less than or equal to sum 1, then the sum is equal to the sum plus num of C. That is, the starting index of the array is added, that is the starting element of the array is added with the succeeding element, and similarly the succeeding element is added with the next element, and so on and so forth. Now if while C is incremented, else we have sum1 in which sum1 is equal to sum1 plus num c1, c1 minus minus. Now we know that c1 is the last element of the array. So if someone is less if sum is less than or equal to someone, condition is not satisfied, then someone is equal, that is the last element is added with the preceding element, and that sum is added with the next preceding element, so on and so forth. So this goes on until sum is equated to someone. So if the sum and someone are both equal, then we print c and c minus 1, that is the value before the index, that is after adding the element. And so if that isn't possible, then the sums are unequal is printed. So when we run the program, okay, so when we run the program, the number of elements that I want, I give as 6. Now the elements which I want to be printed are 2, 4, 4, 5, 4, 1. So as you can see, now if I add the elements from the beginning and from the end, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10. Similarly 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10. Now this is the position from where as you can see, this is the position from where both the elements meet, that is here 10 and here 10. So 2, so 0 1 2, so 2 is the index where the elements add up. So this is my program, and thank you.